Hello friends, I'm your host Saurav from Technited. Today I'm with Asus Transformer Pad TF103CG. Before open this box, I'm telling you about this item. It is a 10.1-inch tablet with vivid 1280 into 800 IPS display. It comes with Intel Atom TM processor with Intel hyper-threading technology. Okay friends, now I'm going to tell you about some different things like the features and details of this device. Okay, this device comes with 2 megapixel primary camera with video recording, and the front camera is 0.3 megapixel. It is a 10-inch multi-touch capacitive touch screen with 1280 into 800 pixel resolution. This device comes with Android 4.4 operating system with 1.86 gigahertz quad-core processor. Uh, RAM in this device is 1 GB, and uh, internal memory in this device is 8 GB. This device comes with lithium polymer battery which provides talk time of 9 to 10 hours. Okay friends, uh, now I'm going to open this box and will show you what inside this box. Okay friends, this is the box. Yeah, this is the box. This is the tablet. Yeah, this is the tablet. You can see this is the uh, these are the three ports to dock with the keyboard. What in search of tablet, user guide, warranty card, charging cord, and charging adapter. Yeah, only these things inside this box. Okay friends, now I'm going to open this tablet and show you what are its main features and what I like most in this tablet. Okay friends, yeah, this is the home screen of this tablet. For it, first we will go inside the setting area and check what are there. Yeah, inside the setting area, first we will go inside about area. In the about area, you can see here system update status, legal information, model number K018, Android version, hardware information and software information. Other features like in setting area like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, sound, display, storage, battery, apps, users, power management, Android, also customized settings, location, security, lock screen, language and input, backup and reset. Yeah, these are the some things inside the setting area. Okay friends, we'll again go to here and we'll check what are the storage area. Yeah, here you can see, I'm just going to show you. Yeah, total space is 4.54 GB slash 8 GB, means uh, user can use, and available memory is 4.4 GB, means user can use for 4.4 GB, and uh, the systems this system has taken 4.54 GB for its usage. Okay, other things, yeah, here you can see system reserved 3.46 GB. So friends, you can use up to 4.43 GB by this device. What are the some apps here? Yeah, there is no preloaded apps in the device. Okay, now we go just outside here. Now we will check uh, the camera of this device. Yeah, yeah, this is the camera area. Now we will go inside the settings of the camera. Yeah, here you can see, yeah, in the settings of the camera like the white balance, ISO, exposure value, camera resolution, anti-shaking, self timer, touch auto exposure, face detection. Yeah, video quality is HD, touch guideline and other features. One best part of this tablet is it comes with many different modes like auto, time rewind, high HDR, panorama, night, selfie, beautification, miniatures, a smart remove, all smiles and GIF animation. Yeah, so these are the some other settings. So friends, now I'm going to show you one picture which I clicked during the review. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, these are the some pictures which I took by using this tablet. Yeah, you can see the image quality. Yeah, you can see it's giving a very good detailing of all of the images. Yeah, you can see. So friends, you can see that I'm increasing the image, and the all of and the detailing of the picture is too good. Okay friends, now I'm going to show you some other features in this tablet. Yeah, now I'm going to show you one of my best things which I like. It is dual app. Yeah, here you can do two things at the same times, like here two window, one window, second window. If you want to do some calculation, to just click on calculator and 8 into 5 equal to 40. You can do here one thing. And if you want to watch some images from gallery, so you can also tap the gallery and you can go inside the gallery. Yeah, like this. You can also do the same thing. So it is a very good feature. By it you can do all of the things. No, you can do two things at the same time. Okay friends, so this is one of the best feature which I like in this tablet. And one more thing which I want to show you, it is smart saving mode. By it you can save power, battery, you can save battery in this tablet. For it you have to tap on power saver, you have to on it, and then you have to, there the three options here. One is ultra saving mode, one is optimize mode, and one is the customize mode. You have to just click on ultra saving mode and click on OK. Then you can see here it is displaying here that ultra saving mode discharging 32%. Yeah, so it is also a very good feature. Okay, apart from it, I want to show you what inside the notifications. Yeah, for your on the top you can see boost, after it, calculator, quick memo, camera, owner, Wi-Fi, auto rotates, silent mode, location, airplane mode, mobile data, smart saving, reading mode, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, auto sync, play to, and dual app. This is one of my favorite app. I already told you about it. Yeah. Okay, okay friend, this is my review of Asus transformer pad. If you have any problem or query, you can mail me at my email id. It is technister@gmail.com, or you can also write here in the comment area. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is Techniture. And also don't forget to share this video on social media with your family and friends. Okay friends, bye bye, take care, thank you.